Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Guyanese President Dr. Irfaan Ali has named a Jamaican among a 5-member commission appointed to investigate last weekend's MV Barima tragedy and related matters. The Jamaican representative is Captain Hamada Fouda, a senior maritime surveyor and compliance auditor with the Maritime Authority of Jamaica. The 5-member commission, chaired by Justice Godfrey Phillip Smith of Belize, also includes maritime experts from Belize, Trinidad and Tobago, Poland and Jamaica. The panel will determine its own procedures and methods as it investigates the circumstances surrounding last weekend's tragedy.
And investigations into several major maritime disasters. Captain Hamada Fouda, Senior Maritime Surveyor and Compliance Auditor with the Maritime Authority of Jamaica. Miss Nairi Dawn Alfonso of Trinidad and Tobago, attorney at law with expertise in admiralty and maritime law. Rear Admiral retired Hayden Pritchard of Trinidad and Tobago, a distinguished professional with decades of experience in maritime operations and maritime security.
Now, the 87-year-old vessel capsized after being struck by a wave. The disaster claimed 72 lives.
Of inquiry will be establishing the full circumstances surrounding the tragedy, including the causes and all other factors relating to the loading of the vessel, the boarding of passengers, conditions on board, the capsizing and sinking of the MV Barima, and any other related matters. Reviewing comprehensively all aspects of the search, rescue, and recovery operations, including the adequacy, coordination, and effectiveness of the response by all agencies and stakeholders involved.